In this video, I'll show you how you can disable background apps on Windows 10 and 11. Now, first option is you come down here and search for Task Manager. In here, you'll be able to see everything that you have open, even your background apps right here. So you can sort by memory or network, CPU, disk or GPU, and see whichever uses the most. Now, as you can see, I have a lot of things open right here. And if I want to close anything down, I can simply click on it and end task. Now, another thing you can do is come to apps right here, go into apps and features, find anything that has the advanced options right here, click on it, and from in here you can disable background apps. Now, if you go through everything and disable all of them, the ones that you can, these will not run in the background. Now, another thing we can do is come down here and search for startup apps. Now, in here we can disable everything if we don't want them to start up when we turn on our PC. And that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.